Story Nest.
Cleo the cat, with her bright blue eyes and a perky pink bow on her head, stood on a stool, peering into a large mixing bowl. Fluffy white flour dusted her whiskers like powdered sugar. Beside her, Benny the bear, his brown fur slightly singed from a previous toast-making adventure, carefully cracked an egg against the rim of the bowl. Sunlight streamed through the window of their cheerful yellow kitchen, illuminating rows of colorful jars filled with sprinkles, chocolate chips, and other sweet treasures. "Are you sure we need so many sprinkles, Benny?" Cleo asked, tilting her head as Benny enthusiastically poured a rainbow avalanche into the batter. Benny, a bear of large appetites and even larger enthusiasm, grinned, his teeth flashing. "There's no such thing as too many sprinkles, Cleo. They make everything extra happy." He then reached for a jar of chocolate chips, nearly dropping it in his eagerness. Cleo giggled, steadying the jar for him. "Careful, clumsy paws," she teased gently. As they stirred the batter together, the spoon became a playful tug-of-war. "My turn to mix," Benny would exclaim, his large paws trying to take over. "But I was just about to get all the lumps out," Cleo would retort, holding onto the handle. Eventually they learned that by holding the spoon together, one on top and one below, they could mix much more efficiently and without spilling any of their precious ingredients. Teamwork, they were discovering, made baking much more fun. Once the treats were baked and cooled, a batch of star-shaped cookies and mini honey cakes, the delicious aroma filled the kitchen. Benny's tummy rumbled loudly. He reached for the biggest honey cake, but Cleo gently placed her paw on his. "Wait, Benny," she said softly. "We made all these treats together. Shouldn't we share them with our friends in the forest?" Benny's ears drooped for a moment, but then he remembered how happy sharing made everyone. Together, Cleo and Benny packed the treats into a woven basket, their hearts full of anticipation. As they ventured into the sunny forest, they agreed that baking together and sharing their creations was even sweeter than eating them all themselves. They learned that day that the joy of making something special was amplified when shared with friends, and that working together always led to the tastiest results.